is Saturday and it's harvest time again. Let's start with the peppers. And we have a lot of this. Peaches. Look at our sunflower. Growing really tall. Padron is super yummy. Gorgeous bell pepper. Our pepper harvest. Next, let's harvest some grapes. I put a net because the birds love these grapes. So this one is ready. Just harvest this bunch. We have a lot more down there. And here too. And we are going to harvest some blueberries too. It's connected onto something. Oh. Look at these grapes. Beautiful. Let's add this here onto our harvest. Summer is a season of bounty. A lot of fruits and vegetables. Look at this one. Look at all these grapes. See? The other variety, these are blue grapes. Oh, blueberry grapes. They turn like blueberry, but we have to start eating while they are like this because a lot, and they will be ripe almost at the same time. It's nice to be under the canopy of a grapevine. It's like even when it's hot, it's still like really cool here. Look at all these grapes. And look at that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. Look at those. And here too. This is so pretty. I'm going to harvest the nectarines. This is a nectarine tree. The one right there is a plum tree. This is a nectarine. It's ready. We have some nectaplums too. Just putting them there for now. I think I need a fruit picker on some of them. This one I can reach, but the other ones I can't. Look at those fruits. Look at those fruits. There's a lot. Get our fruit picker. This is kale. Oh, I'm going to show you the eggplant. This eggplant is gorgeous. And this is fennel. Let's put these grapes here. Let's move the nectarine here. to show the link for this like food picker on the description. This is really nice. It's easy too, and then you can adjust it too, like this, like that, for like something like really tall, like those. What we were harvesting the last few weeks, they were nectaplums, a cross between this nectarine and plum. This is nectarine. Harvest the tomatoes. The beautiful tomatoes. At how gorgeous. Costolotto Genovese, and it smells so good too. One is Gardener's Delight. Let's just pick the ones that are like orange or red. Gardener's Delight. When you make them into salad, they are they have different like flavors and colors, and they look beautiful. This one is San Chocola, more of like chocolate colored tomatoes. These are the San Chocola, a handful of San Chocola tomatoes. So our basket. Let's harvest more on the other side. I have eggplant here too. I'm going to cook that for breakfast tomorrow. Look at all these like blueberries. I'm going to harvest them too. Midnight snack, and then the sun gold. A beautiful bunch of tomatoes. Sun gold tomatoes. I think these are okay. Let's go to our here. Now let's harvest the cucumbers. The cucumbers are ready. This is ready. This one is ready too, but I'll harvest two. This and this one, which is like huge. And then this one too will be ready soon. Look at the shape. So let's do this one, and then the other one. Oh, heavy. Cucumbers. Then let's move on to the blueberries. They are falling because they are like super ripe. I'll continue harvesting this, and then let's move on to the calamansi in a little bit. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you have a lot of blueberry harvest, you can also freeze them. I usually freeze some of our fruits if we have like a lot. Oh, look at this. The other one is like bigger than the rest. And here are the blueberries. There are more there. I'll harvest them later. Now let's move on to calamansi. The blueberries and the blueberry grapes. They look almost the same. On to calamansi. Calamansi smells so good too. Here's a bowl of our calamansi harvest. And then the lemons, huge lemons. And let's start to harvest this peach. Oh, beautiful. Semi-ripe and crunchy because there are a lot of like fruits, so you have to like start eating them when they are not super ripe yet. Otherwise, they will be ripe all at the same time. That we have tomatoes here that are ready too. Joining the rest of the tomato harvest. And then we also have the green zebra here. It's ready to look at all this like peaches. I have to duck down. Here is the green zebra. This one stays green. This is ready too. Here's our harvest this morning. The different varieties of tomatoes. Look at the costalota de Genovese. The nectarines, the grapes, the green grapes, the varieties Barlet, the blueberry grapes, the calamansi, the cucumbers, lemons, the blueberries. Look, they almost look the same. And the nectaplums, the peach, and the apricots, and the different varieties of peppers.